Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to KOOL TV. My name is Daniel Theophilus Cole. Again, I'm here at the Freeport of Monrovia, where the government of Liberia today will showcase several yellow machines and trucks that was promised during the president cabinet retreat. As you can see from our camera, these are the trucks, and the Minister of State with our portfolio, Mamaka Ability, will soon be here. And we have calling us Corporal Kura. She's also here. But let's show you what we came here for purposely. These are some of the yellow machines, earth moving equipments brought in by the government of Liberia to be transported to several counties for its intended purpose, and I think there are more to come. And so we can proudly say that 4 yellow machines are on the ground of Freeport of Monrovia. From what we are seeing, you listen to Mamaka Ability during the president's cabinet retreat held at the ministerial complex, the Ellen Johnson Sirleaf ministerial complex, that the machines will be brought in 285, if I stand to be corrected. $285 earth moving machines. These are the yellow machines, so I will take you where the trucks are. And these are the trucks. These are the trucks along with the yellow machines. And written on it, Presidential Infrastructure Program, PIP. Presidential Infrastructure Program. So folks, they are in with their drivers. So let's try to look in these trucks and see. I'm trying to climb up. Chief, how are you?
I'm good.
This is KOOL TV. What's your name, sir?
I'm Augustine S. Doe.
You're Augustine Doe.
S. Doe.
Okay. How long you been driving for, sir?
Oh, I've been driving for the past 11 years.
11 years?
Yeah.
Okay. You say your name again, sir?
I'm Augustine S. Doe.
Are you excited about this?
Of course, I'm excited. I'm happy.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so folks, that's it. So we are with Minister of State with our portfolio, Mamaka Ability. She will talk to the press very, very shortly. But folks, keep watching. This is KOOL, the Freeport of Monrovia. We don't know the amount of yellow machines and trucks we are talking about, but what we saw recently are 4 yellow machines yellow machines with several pieces of trucks here. So if you're watching, kindly share our videos and invite others to watch with you this long-awaited yellow machines and trucks that were promised by the President of the Republic of Liberia. We can proudly say to you that 95% of these trucks and 95% of the yellow machines are here. And so let's look on it. We have some stickers here. Stickers with writings like Think Liberia, Love Liberia, and Build Liberia. They were brought in with water truck also, and this is so folks, these are brand new trucks. You can see from the interior part of the trucks, brand new, very brand new, very brand new trucks. And as a matter of fact, I can tell you, you can look from the inside. These are brand new trucks, straight from the factory, brought in the country a few weeks ago. And someone is asking about the writing on the truck, so I will show it to you again. You have President Infrastructure Program. Mamaka Belete was the one who did the pronouncement of these equipments recently at the ministerial complex during the President Cabinet retreat. She was the pronouncement. And she's on her way from the executive mansion. She will be here to also talk more about these machines. So folks, these are the yellow machines, and on that side you got the trucks parked on self-beat, waiting for the drivers are waiting for Mamaka Belete to speak to the press. And after that, I think these trucks will be taken to BTC Barrack, what I heard recently. But folks, currently at the Freeport of Monrovia, yellow machines, excavators as well. And I think a company that is producing these machines is the Seni company. And I think they are from China, if that stands to be corrected. So folks, that's it. These are the excavators and yellow machines are placed over trailer to be taken to another destination as soon as the minister arrive here and speak to the press concerning these equipments. So folks, what's your thoughts on these machines? Recently we did a video about the LNP, the Liberia National Police, bringing in several new vehicles for operations, and today we are here at the Freeport of Monrovia. Again, the government of Liberia, through the Presidential Infrastructure Program headed by President Joseph Boakai, unveils several earth-moving machines, trucks, water tankers for the smooth operation of the President's arrest agenda. And I think all of these materials were produced by this company, Seni. And I think they are from China, if that stands to be corrected. That stands to be corrected. These materials, these trucks, water tankers, excavators are from China. Let's see who is here. We got Kalina Kopokura. She's here. You got several workers here from the Freeport of Monrovia. You got some ministers are also here. But the president is currently in Nigeria. And you are seeing workers here at the Freeport of Monrovia standing on the sidewalk, glancing at these equipment. So let's try to check out there whether you have the Minister of State around here. And we were just informed that she's on her way here to receive these equipments. She did the pronouncement at the Ellen Johnson Sirleaf Ministerial Complex doing the president cabinet retreat. And we hope that maintenance will be highly taken into. So folks, we are with the Minister of State with our portfolio, Mamaka Belete, here at the Freeport of Monrovia. This is KOOL, and my name is Daniel Theophilus KOOL. So folks, we are still around here. We are still around here waiting the arrival of Mamaka Belete, who officially received these equipment from the hands of the management of Freeport, and officially be dedicated to the president also. Well folks, we are currently here at Freeport. Several media institutions are also here. So just make your comment, put in your comments on the video. What do you make of these machines? What do you want the government to do in terms of maintaining these machines? And these machines will be used for road maintenance, opening feeder roads, opening farm roads, using it for road maintenance, places like the rural area, Grand Cape Mount, Lofa counties in the southeast, Grand KOOL, Grand GDEP, Sino, Maryland, and some will also be used for Montserrat County as well. So these are, that's the main reasons the equipments are for, especially the yellow machines you see here and the excavators. They will be used for road maintenance in Liberia. And I hope you are looking at the various kinds of machines here. These machines are brand new machines from the factory. I think you can see from here. You're looking at this stuff, you can know that these machines are new machines. Looking at from this side, they are not fairly used, or they were not used and sprayed. They are machines brand new from the street here in Liberia. So folks, that's it.
Oh, beautiful.
So, sir, hello. How do you call this?
I will call it motor grader.
Motor grader, right?
Motor grader.
Okay.
This is a front loader. This is excavator.
Front loader?
I'm sorry for the. I mean, these are all different equipment, right? So we don't mind speaking to you a little. Just give us the names of them. And if you can even point at them when you call their name, we really appreciate it, even for our followers who are following.
Ellis Morba.
Ellis Morba. Okay, so which road do you play here?
I'm driver.
Driver. Oh, for this one.
Driving the truck.
So which one are you driving?
It's truck.
The truck. Yeah.
So you
And
just help out, you call the names of these machines.
What are those equipment that you are carrying? Because are there two we see there or one? So can we approach and tell us which one? Yeah, thank you. So folks, Mr. Morgan is going to help us, if possible, to tell some of
This
these.
is excavator.
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 Okay.
One of the bigger excavator.
One of the biggest excavator.
So how do you know that it's big? With the number, right? So
What's
this
the
is
biggest
335.
335.
335C.
Yeah.
So this is the biggest excavator. Yeah, because I'm seeing
Is it the
the
biggest or one of the biggest?
One of the biggest.
So what's the biggest? So which number does the bigger one start to?
337 there. That is nice number.
You get 435.
That one.
435.
That one I can walk here on this matter.
Okay.
Thank you. But
So
the one for road process, this is one of the bigger one.
this is the biggest.
Yes.
So how many excavators? So 335 of excavator, this excavator, right?
Yeah.
How many of them do we have here now? How many of them do we have from your car to the next one? How many of them do we have?
Probably 2 years, but some say in the terminal.
Oh, two here, but some stay in the terminal.
Yes.
Okay, so let's move to this one.
So which one is this?
This is front hand loader.
Eh?
Front hand loader.
Front hand loader.
Yes.
So I'm seeing 99.
955.
Okay, 955K.
So what different work can the excavator do and they want not do?
This load the dump truck. It will be loaded dump truck.
Okay.
They want to can dig more.
Okay. The
They
excavator.
can dig when anything like weight down. What they want, it can low. They want or something up, it can.
Okay, so meaning this one can lower in the truck, and this one, the excavator, can dig hole and open drainages.
Like here, it can.
So okay. So how many excavators?
Excavate.
For now, the ones are out. Let's focus on the ones that are out. How many are there here now?
Like 2 from here now.
Now.
Oh, 2 here.
Or get balance in the.
In the
Yeah.
In
So
the
the ones that
terminal.
are out, that are 2.
Yes. For
And
now.
then the other ones here,
front
Front loader.
It's 2 again.
2 again.
Yeah, but more in the terminal.
More there. But the ones that are out, like, we'll focus on.
Yes.
And we other one again, do we have?
Get
Can we
motor
approach
grader.
that one?
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's go also.
We have been aided by created by Mr. Moba, who is one of the operators here of these equipment. So this one. So this is just for the
Motor grader, right?
Yeah.
gorilla.
Motor grader.
Motor grader. Okay.
Yeah.
Good.
You just want to tell what to the road.
Can face the road. Face the
Back
road.
the road. This is good.
Yeah. So with this blade.
Yes.
Yeah.
And it did it.
Yes, we see. Can do the best way. All and this we see can do the best.
This we have already.
There were 3 in the terminal, but I'm 1 on now.
Okay, so 2 left there.
3 there now.
Okay.
So, do you mind if someone want to buy these machines individually? How much does this one cost? Do you know the amount of money?
No.
Okay.
But this machine, expensive part, all the machine like that.
It's the expensive one here.
Expensive machine.
This one.
Yes.
So what's about
Go
the
away.
excavator?
No, I don't know, but this is expensive part, all excavator, all machine.
So how long does this one last?
I don't know. But,
But it can go for more than 30 years.
yes.
More than 30 years.
It depends on what I can the equipment or the service.
So which other one you in here?
And I think like 3 machines.
3 different machines. So in short, just in summary, right? Just name their name, their capacity, all of them. So that's how the first one we met.
Oh, the first one.
Okay. So that's how this one. Which one is this?
Okay, this is excavator.
Okay.
335.
One of the biggest.
One of the biggest.
Okay.
This is front handle.
Front hand loader.
Yeah.
So the 2 machines are separate. Yeah.
Separate.
I have mistaken them for.
No. It's separate.
Okay.
So there's a
See
full
no
loader.
more now, Papa. Thank you. See this? This do both way.
Okay. It's called.
Where they call a lot of money. The call.
The one
motor
like
grower.
you want to face
Any
it.
company,
Face it.
this.
Yes.
I can face the go clean.
Is this,
So that's
is this
considered-
a new model, or because what I learned that the kind of equipment have different models. You have the old one, you have the new kind of model. Is this a new model?
There's a new model. But the way in there, the way the gears are looking, it's an old model.
This is an old model.
Because Chinese people can do
Different type.
more gear lever. But this, an old model, they can be bought.
They want to hold one like just like car too.
So
This one.
considering the 3 different equipment here, right, Mr. Moba? If you consider the most deplorable part of the road, which one do we use first? Which one is used to clear the road before we can give? I mean, we want to face the road now, right? We want to face the
Where
road.
the Dwara road is like.
Now,
If you want to start to work on that road.
this,
The one first can do.
Wow.
So when you see enough mud,
enough more.
that car cannot move anymore. Which one of them do we use?
To clear, control, but to pave the road correct, this.
So this
Wow.
is like
Yes.
most important.
They want to go deep control for water to run.
For the 30 for the 20.
Now it's deep there. But when it drop down, and they want to go spray everything to be correct.
Okay, Chief. What's the name again?
And it's more
And
LS Moba.
you one of the what? The
drop down.
So you need that to carry them outside, but you can cover them to do?
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
okay.
So you listen.
That's it, folks. Motor grader, front hand loader, and excavator. So, folks, all right.
Sorry, that's
So let's try to look from this end and see whether the Minister of State with her portfolio, whether she's here, because she will be receiving these items and subsequently turn over to the President.
these are comments for Ministry of State
So, folks, we still await the arrival of Mama Car. We don't know what's the hold on, but she will soon be here to receive the equipment. We got Kalina Koprakura currently here. Kalina Koprakura is here.
Hey, I was at Gary, Mrs. Camo.
So folks, this is Collinear's co-procura. I know.
So we're here and following the live. Share live broadcast.
So we finally received Mamaka ability. So you see Mamaka ability along with Assistant Minister for International Affairs at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs.
At the port will not
be. So folks, she's here to receive these equipments.
How you doing, Randy?
What are in the car?
Minister Liberia is being accompanied by the Assistant Minister for International Affairs at the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Director Minister for live here.
line to load the equipment.
So we need a way for those.
No, we'll go. Yeah, we can go.
Then the others will follow.
The others will follow. Yeah.
All right.
So we got 7 of them out. The rest of the trucks have been loaded. But it takes a while because there's only a few equipment they have working. So I think it's better we move these for now, take the time, and then the others can follow.
Madam Minister, can we have a word before you leave?
Sure, please.
All right, my name is Anthony Williams. I'm from ELBC Radio. And it's first of all, when you made the disclosure during the cabinet meeting, it was a huge conversation across the country. Having these heavy-duty equipment on the ground and they're all visible, one might want to ask the question, what do you have to say to the Liberian people about their arrival?
I'm honestly happy for Liberia. This is a dream come true for any well-meaning Liberian because, as I said in the presentation in the video, if you know the conditions of our road and you know the situation of Liberia, you will be happy that we have these equipment here. Because half of our country is in the bush.
Definitely.
Most of our people are, they don't have access to. Why do you think agriculture is not improving? Because we don't have access to the roads, we don't have access to markets. So this is this is the hour of the arrest agenda roads. So we're going to open the country and everyone is happy. I mean, there's controversy. We have opposition, we have critics, but at the end of the day, the intention is good.
Okay, madam.
The president has good intention for the country to open the country up.
So my name is Theophilus and I report for KOOL FM. Maintenance is something that we should look at when you having this machine. Talk about maintenance, madam.
Well, in the package, what we are looking at is to have a maintenance contract for a year to 2 years with the manufacturer, and also these equipment you see out here, they're going to be going into a maintenance zone. So we're going to be constructing the maintenance zones, and the manufacturer is going to be training over 100 Liberians. So that's going to, imagine the employment opportunity that's going to create.
Tell us.
So we have the maintenance contracts that we're gonna set in place before we can let these equipment to go into the maintenance zones, and training is going to take place as well.
Tell us.
So people are going to know how to operate these equipment.
Last question, Spoon.
Yeah, let's have 3. We're going to the BGC. The rest of you can come on.
Yeah, my name is Harris Billy, and I report for Porsche FM and TV. I'm basically concerned when I followed you said this is the first batch of equipment that I mean, one is thinking how many more you expect in terms of the structure, the sizes, what the first, second, and third, and secondly, how soon you expect them to be equipped?
They are coming. I see our port is not big enough. We actually have to move this to create space for more equipment to come and terminals to be able to operate. So we are looking at ships are coming in every day, every week. So we're going to be seeing them rolling in until we have our 285.
Okay,
so
thank you.
This is the first phase.
All right. Thank you, Madam Minister, for talking to us.
So folks, that's it. No, not me. No, wait, not me. No, stay to me. Yeah. So folks, we are heading to the BTC barrack where this equipment will also be situated for proper turning over.
Look at you. Stand out. Let's have the corridor open, please. Open corridor. Open corridor. We're about to roll. So let's roll out. All right? Press. Think I'm on this now. Press, please.
Hold on 1 minute.
Yeah, so we're moving slow. The everyone line.
Me not have to come and have me. Bosungo. Bosungo.
Few trucks, the yellow, few trucks, and take us out back.
Okay. Where you at?
Today is the birth of
Okay, so folks, we are heading to the BTC barrack. Thanks so kindly, folks. Thanks for watching. My name is Daniel Theophilus Cole, and these trucks are about to leave this area.
Sir, clear, please. Clear, please.
So folks, that's it. You've been watching KOOL TV. My name is Daniel Theophilus Cole, and this is KOOL 91.9 FM. Thanks so kindly. We are heading to the BTC barrack, where these equipments will be officially turned over by Mama Car Ability. Thanks so kindly for watching.